Standing in the middle of your backyard, the tape measures the exact moment the dream of a private oasis becomes a logistical puzzle. You realize that a 24-foot rectangular swimming area is not just a pool. It is a total transformation of your outdoor space. Most people assume they need to drop the price of a luxury car to get a real swimming experience at home. That is simply not the case anymore. We are looking at a massive premium tier frame pool that bridges the gap between those flimsy temporary setups and a permanent in-ground structure. It is a monster in terms of scale. When you see it fully assembled, it commands the entire yard. The structure relies on a heavy-duty galvanized steel frame. It uses a clever locking mechanism that makes the whole unit feel incredibly rigid once it is filled. But let us get real about the labor involved here. This is not a quick afternoon project. The sheer weight of over 8,000 gallons of water is no joke. If your ground is even slightly slanted, that massive weight will shift. It will put extreme stress on the steel joints. You might even see the frame start to lean in a way that keeps you up at night. That is why experienced owners will tell you that ground preparation is 80% of the job. You need to clear the area. You need to level the soil until it is absolutely perfect. You might even want to put down heavy-duty pavers under the legs for extra stability. Once that grueling part is finished, the actual assembly feels like a reward. The liner is thick. It is incredibly durable. It has a premium texture that feels great when you are lounging. Sliding those powder-coated poles to the sleeves is a satisfying process. The parts click together with a reassuring metal thud. Then comes the long wait. Filling a pool of this size takes a long time. You will be watching the water rise for hours. During this phase, you have to keep smoothing out the floor of the liner. You want to get every single wrinkle out before the weight of the water makes it impossible to move. One of the best features included in this setup is the sand filtration system. Forget those tiny, expensive paper cartridges that you have to replace every few days. A sand filter is much more efficient. It keeps the water sparkling clear with far less manual work. You just have to backwash the system occasionally to keep things flowing. However, do not let the ease of the filter fool you. You are now the manager of a small lake. You need to stay on top of the water chemistry. You need your test strips ready. You have to balance the alkalinity and the chlorine levels regularly. If you stay on top of it, the water stays crystal clear. If you slack off for a week, you will be fighting a green swamp. The accessories, like the ladder and the cover, are functional, but definitely basic. You might find yourself looking for more heavy-duty stairs or a high-end solar cover by the time next season rolls around. That is just the reality of these all-in-one sets. They give you everything to get started, but there is always room to upgrade. Storage is the final hurdle. If you live in a place with harsh winters, you have to decide if you will drain it completely or winterize it in place. Keeping that metal dry and protected during the off-season is the only way to ensure this investment lasts. It is a serious commitment. It requires respect and maintenance. But when the sun is beating down and you have enough room to actually swim laps in your own yard, you will realize it was worth every bit of the effort.